Alright guys, so we are now in Shopify backend for the order fulfill, and when your order store have order, like there is 3 orders, okay. So then you will go to setting, and after when you will go to setting, in here you have to add your staff or your supplier or agent, okay. So you will go on user and permissions, and then you will see that this is my client store. I am an agent, professional agent, so my client is this one, and he add me. I am Najmul Hassan, okay. He add me, and stuff like I have added in this store for an agent for fulfill orders, okay. So let's say when you have order, and these orders, like today we have 3 orders, and 3 orders is pending, and all orders yesterday almost 11 orders have fulfilled. Yes, you are looking. So when you have order, your agent, I mean me, will fulfill order. You don't have to do anything, just we will give you the price and everything, okay. And let's say example how you will order yourself in your store, like order I am example showing you. So this is an order. This order have fulfilled. Yan Express tracking number already have added, and me and my team have added this tracking number, and this order is already fulfilled, okay. But when the new order you need to fulfill, then this is a new order and it's unfulfilled. We will click on this order, and we will go to the order pages, okay. Wait, yes, it's opening. Just a moment. Yes, this is the unfulfilled order. You don't need to do anything. If you have no agent, you just fulfill items. You will click on here, then your agent will give you the tracking number. You will paste the tracking number, that's it. But since I am here, I will help you, and a professional dropshipping agent, 5 years I am working, so you don't need to do anything. Just you will give access to me, and we will fulfill the order by our ERP system. So guys, let's see that this is a Chinese ERP system. You don't understand if you know Chinese language, so it's good. So here is we are fulfilling some clothing product, okay. And this is the Kung Fu by our ERP software. When you will give our email access, store access us, then we will bind your store to our email. You have no tension, just we will fulfill everything, okay. And let's say that here is clothing product of our client who have 123 order of the date is 11, okay. Yes, 11 date. So daily 123 orders, average 100 orders we are fulfilling. Yes, it's done, okay. So it's one client order, 123 daily, it's fulfilled, okay. It's okay, this is the screenshot of our order, that this is our one client code number. Each client have their own code number, B189A. This is client code number. 123 orders. The date is 11 month of 8 date, okay. It means November 8. He has 123 orders, and the fulfill order is done. And let's see the final part, how we will give the invoice and everything. Let's say this is our Italian client Giovanni, okay. So Giovanni is our Italian client, and 11 order, and we gave the price total 131, and the client have paid us, okay. Let's see that 193 he had balance, and he paid us on PayPal. And after the payment have done, we instantly we have fulfilled all his 11 orders, okay. This is the 11 orders yesterday, and we have fulfilled. So that's it. Only you will give our store give us your store access by email. We will give you email, and you will add us as a staff that we have showed you on setting and user permission. So then we will regularly or fulfill your order, and your business will be grow smoothly, and we will make a good win-win business. So thank you so much guys. If you have any questions, just comment below, let me know. I am always available, no problem. So and please subscribe my channel.